Okay, so the Plug-in Profit site is a free website that the guy who actually made his website will build you a duplicate website. The same website that he built himself. This guy right here. And you see that guy right there. He built his own website, and it has of course your affiliate links through these websites that are plugged in. That's why it's called Plug-in Profit site. Now what he does is he has you go through. Now my site's already been built, but whenever you click to get your site built, which I'm going to take you through this, I'm going to do it right now. We're going to go to my home page, and voila, it looks exactly like his. He has a blog and everything that has content actually going to it automatically. This is also hooked up to an autoresponder. It's hooked up to Aweber for anyone who actually signs up for your website through your website to get themselves a free website just like this one. If they do it through your link, then it is their email and stuff is put into your autoresponder on your list. Now whenever you first get started, I went up here to the top where it says free money making website giveaway, get details, and you just go in there and you will see this page right here.
In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this internet millionaire wants to give you his money-making website, the same website that's made him a millionaire, for free, just to prove this online money-making system really works. But before I introduce you to this millionaire, I want to show you the results from a few people that got their own copy of this same money-making website. This is Bernard. He was able to earn $310 in the first 72 hours after.
Okay, so you go to get free website, and you fill out the full details. So you have your contact information, your affiliate IDs. You're gonna have to go to 5 of these programs that he lists down here. Oh no, that's the profitable. Okay, yeah, these are it. Yeah, you gotta go to this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so you want to go to all these sites, get your affiliate ID. Now there's a couple of these that are paid. Most of I think three out of the 5 are free, but the other 2 are like, I don't know, $20 or so. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure, I forget. But after you fill out this information and you get your affiliate links, you're going to come back and you're going to put them in here individually, like so, right where it says, whatever website it is, affiliate link, whatever, right there. Then you have to get a domain name, which you can go to namecheap.com and get one for about $6 or $7 for a whole year. He recommends, of course, going to his website that he recommends, and it's $12 for a full year. Now you can do that because they provide free hosting, which is actually ideal for this type of website, because you want him to have his what he already provides, because he provides like a ton more service with his free hosting account, right? So I would recommend doing that. But if you don't have the money or you don't want to, you can go to Namecheap, like I said, and it's like $6 or $7. And then you click set up my site. Now if you'll notice up here somewhere, he has like a name and number. I think it's on the next page. No, it's right here. Just make sure you contact him or send him a text message, let him know that you sent in your application, whatever, and that way if he has any trouble, he can get a hold of you because he has your number after you text him, right? And then whenever you get your site back, it will look like this. Well, actually, this is the training to my site, because we just left my site, right? He'll send you this 30-day training success guide, basically, telling you what all is included with the package, how to actually be profitable with this thing. Different steps on your blog. He tells you how to log into your Aweber, how to use your site, how you can actually change stuff on your site, because it is yours. And it's basically training throughout the whole thing, things that you need to know. I mean, it is very, very time consuming, but it's a business. So building a business takes time. That's all there is to it. But this thing is profitable and it's free. I mean, why wouldn't you want an affiliate website set up for you for free? And all you have to do is learn about it. That's pretty much amazing to me. He has an automatic blog that it posts to your website and keeps everything updated and in real time. That's very cool, very cool. And also your autoresponder has a drip system to where it's actually on a system to where anybody who is put into your system actually gets followed up with, and all that type of stuff done for you automatically. And that's pretty much it, guys. And so just go ahead and get signed up, get your free affiliate website, and thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. All right, bye, guys.